It's Monday and it's a Monday morning. And it's always be a Monday to the starting of week. Monday will be always coming first. And we have BitFM.com.fj and we say for the sample making a back of the singer and the onstunga, Kekim Assembly Mengor Me Valley. And a lot of taxi in a minibus. Nissan and Bolabinaka.
Yeah, and I'm making a cut and always my battle live, making a hotspot Wi-Fi to
But the Luma Mill level.
Oh, thank you. Welcome to Monday. Here we come into the day that we all love, Monday, when the lady is coming to. Cut off, rebuke.
Yeah, the one didn't even rebuke the laziness. One didn't even kind of winning a time in the city, Kuan, the Bukanika, the Sarah, Bibuno, Nisamba will make in Andasia, Knox, McAllister. One even like a becoming some to be say Burmurdava and a Vukunikan Levi to the neck. Naka Lebula, you leave either to be a Sabre Burmurdava. You now only can talk on Ichigo, the Canon Michigan Buba and the Bunita and Matariqua. I'm believing like a Kidney Macola from Macola from up here, some of the Ramble of Samoa. Fafelava. Apa Cookie Morel, my England? Apa Cookie Morel, thank you for British us this morning. Thank you for your love. It's so Mon Tago, and when I come Vianney Private School compound, I'm going about to that Robert Second for Thai. That's why so. I don't know some lebu William Toyaba and my Wooden Bombua. Tonight, James Sikas and don't bullet the Arabnaka. Rosibitanoa. Uro. Go. Santa Rosa, California, Uroke, the Urtalaga became Nick and Simon Banuve and Lamani CWM Hospital, John Matei Tonga, Matei Lubuniana, Sakusa Senilo Locula. Domina like Donna Hart, share the video on Matanico. Apa Cookie Morel. Thank you so much. We'll get back to you soon. And the Anna Timbalimbale, my Samoa. And I'm not Donadorbo. Well, Norbo and the Embrodorbo. Enda. Joe Lubeta Sau and Runaka, Ratu Samunambore, Simon and Banube, Tikona Kau Servacula, Dombulanaka, one bully, my Galitu, my low talker. Kini Macola Fafitela or Talofalava, guys. Talofa. Estunin down on Nakamburi Road, Wela 3B. The one go to Mabernica Maria near Fafetai. And go to Bakiribas Mecca. All right. Joyce Snega Unas Mama, Yaratu Kea Kurumudu. My Mr. and Mrs. Racing and Loman Romotacano. Tamani Wine on the Banua. Right. And the Numan to Tamanamulak, no heart, no mulak. Right. Amu. Sa. I'm standing. Ma. Very good morning. Lucian live stream Amusandeng. Keep it on point right now. 100% nice. A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, school students, teachers, also to mothers out there in all the kitchen. Thank you for bearing the coldness together with that stove, preparing the bun, the parley. I don't know which breakfast you will provide, but thank you so much for being there, Nana mothers. And I'm going to call you ketika di situ saya benar. Lucy Pitano asa oi. Kau nawai isa. Dah pun anggur ya. Benar besar bitokan sama tahu nak kita ini. Nai lampu tele merah di Yasman. Right. Bisa kita mana betul bitokan nama tahu benar dikuat. Uraya penny volai gitarra. Ano mana kami BitFM kalau nggak teranggar kita dikuat. Every night tasir ngango. Let's sit in tukana. DK kini lobo all the passengers, drivers in the bus. Yang rambol benaka. Hope that you will be laughing slowly and softly and spreading the love and the smile this morning. Kaya ba hindi ba talaga na lesi-lesi naruto na bita may melo may buna? O may na agriculture may bito bita may mo kitine mo talaga naman mo at kelia. Tapos sa ambient sa uti ka ba na ba tinabay ka muli ng gusto melo may buna? Bisa ngay lista lang ko ki namusi. Right.
Boni binando la buni bengarabi en to sambi misara sini kuwa.
Oh, okay.
Bangon litu na bani ni binaka kerto kesarna staff ni lomai buna agriculture. En mata kabinani kuwa.
I was seeing the celebration of the farewell last night. Dems sister. A very bani binaka. To the next office that you will be arriving.
All right.
Harbunaka may lotoka harbunaka fejo hanta bagakina ver to the borong chumay na EFL. May kinoya na matariko.
Don binaka.
Ia lebu kami obolau babibinga bisamu lipe omoji ese Roma batika isamu naka. Oni binaka tanga bertono to friend na tingo ibalimbula. O wangambala.
Wangambala harbunaka.
Sisi Ariu harbunaka kalawatan garab tabi ne mani Julia.
Harbunaka kay aus man tama si Bernon titalo lang na matariko.
Donu.
Makana bi koloa na sobiniway.
It's just like it's just like a wild forest, the thing that is draining out at the beard of this human being.
Lipstick
baby, it's a very sign the lips of on top of your lipstick. It's getting soft. It's getting slack.
Oh no. You make it sounds good.
I will wait for you at the edge of the building.
Nice.
Malumu.
What?
The definition is opposite.
Okay, Dogo.
Yeah.
Dogo.
Mataliso.
Kotiba no minganga no nunguleo.
Cut your fingernails, my baby.
Right. Mwane uzuluka.
You floating waterfall.
All right. Lutu no isulu batonga. Ayalo tolo tolo.
The remaining one was gone. I only can see the clothes.
Okay.
Ona mambulo chiberto staff ni tapus. Menano mikile berto staff ni tapus isuba. Ve layo to Polendo milika iva una la vinia sen mo dem kino to na mata team ni sevens. No to mabaro chino World Cup and the name below I ma.
Realo na mata di busi.
Huh?
Realo na mata di busi.
The eye of the wuss is eyelash.
Okay. Don't titalo. Right.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a story for you, those of you out there, especially to where I was brought up in technically. I was at the National Youth Band. This place is where the youth is brought up, and they could go to join the shoulder band, marching band, the Navy, and all of the band. You can come to National Youth Band, police band. So the student was, the teacher was asking him inside the classroom. True story. This is a story in National Youth Band when our teacher was asking us. So student, you're about to finish your certificate of the youth band, National Youth Band, with the music authority to control the world with your shalala and shalala. So the teacher was asking around the classroom. After this, what will you proceed to take your certificate and go and work? So all of us were like, we want to join the police band. We want to join the army band. We want to join the navy band. And because of our talent and the certificate. So this boy was sitting at the back.
Boy from where?
From this boy from Kandavu.
Oh, hey.
He was sitting at the back named Elijah. And suddenly, after the teacher was asking all around, all of us want to go for a band.
No repetition answer.
Yeah, no repetition. And this boy was thinking at the back, all my answers are... And all the answers I want to tell the teacher, all the students have spoken it out. So he was, no one to be same to So he was thinking and thinking and
he was confused.
He was confused. He was constructed. And then suddenly, the last student to be asked by a teacher. And then the teacher turned and asked Eliza, what you want to be after here, or where you want to go after here.
All the
students said band and everything go like this. Navy, soldier, police. And Eliza slowly stood up and asked and answered the question to madam. Madam, I want to be a canine dog. Sa kay Qereqere na ngoningo, pasang talaga may matambani so tia o visa nevi sedaba. A Qereqere sana ko teacher. Auren le kulinyo visa. Sa kay Qereqere slowly he stood up. Madam, can I be a canine? Or can I be a dog? Sa kay tarong madam, which kind of dog? I want to be a trained as a dog. I want to be the police dog. But teacher said, how come? You come from the place of the man. And he said, teacher, even though I'm a dog, you add 2 leu at the dog. Dinambiakan niyo sa kulino bisa. Gayong bawa tamana to ironay liwan nungo gabo ka boka. Musami. Muri. Have you come in the Biokani na italo no lega sara na taro betoranga? You want to be a canine today? Huh? You want to be a canine today? You want to be a canine today? Ay wala sabi tumay na matali ko canine dog. Milatakan ro yan na talk about level ludi face donu binawa. Oh, how come you here? You down there?
She's in Kandam.
She's in Kandam. When you upcoming your
She's in Kandam.
Oh my gosh, you are Lily.
Can the con que de Jemoy way? I wish man nga mondina. And the teacher asked, how come you want to be the dog? You came from the goat island. And
You're supposed to be a man.
You're supposed to be a man. He said, teacher, I can be go and canine, but while I'm walking, and you put 1, 2 leu here, I could be the dog man.
Just sana kay tangi tu wala ba out.
Ko sana kay wango. Sana wango no ni tangi. Kako na. Sa.
I want to be a dog handler.
To my bay. Gorina somebody chased the guitar. Lucy, you want to be the dog handler? We will be missing, man. We live in the city here. Botani Rosilo, Botani Rosindamu, Uronomu. Bindi go. Go.
Mina balu BSP motor vehicle loan motor BSP unsecured personal loan.
Right.
Water gaki na be Punjas. Baker's fresh breakfast crackers perfect for Lodi. Okay, Digicel come and play na be to kun.
Bekemrika sara na staff ni Western Union Seri El Mbulay Sola. Staff ni Mbulay Somba. Na boleh matanggali na Sema cuma matangani kuah. Voto ni Rosindamu isa saran rin tingamay na K9 nongo. Ngayon doon na naman ni K9, eh?
Oy, company. Eyo, sa coach ka.
Kiniti makola. K9 nga ko. Andy, nanumatsi ko.
Oh, Brett,
Richard Brett. Natoka ni K9 with Richard Brett. May lotoka kam doon na squad ni Tita ni Colony. Pag ano ni pinakano mo ng karami-tabi na sige ni Kuwa. Sa daw may money ka. May daw na ngaw na. And then, pero nga dito, kina sa lang sing thank you. And mataka na numa. don't know more like, don't know more heart. You share the story of K9, but it's a me. Even though it's a police dog, it's still a me.
It's got a layoff.
He got the layoff. That's another one, but a dog and a goat. So goat. Say gog. Gora mi toka ni rocks na buta out mama.
Ni mana naman naman, ni mana.
Amuli na buta ro masima. Mo ni kalungata ba ni mina kan ni karabita me Londoni.
17
Daw bossa wele. This is the mouth of the talking. Gora mi toka ni rocks na buta out mama.
Watala kurumudu
ni mo ni kalungata ni marau tiko. Wait, mo ni kila. Tikir dona kaningi